Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to share with you 5 mind-blowing facts about AI. So let's get started. Fact number 1, AI can now work all by itself. Imagine AI that thinks, plans, and acts independently. Now we've got fully autonomous AI agents that can run tasks on their own. No babysitting needed. One called Manus AI, made by a startup in China, can plan, reason, and do complex stuff in fields like healthcare, finance, even robotics. It can book your meetings, shop for you, maybe even file your taxes. Okay, not yet, but we're close. Basically, this AI is your new overachieving coworker. Now you can take a nap at work. Just kidding. Fact number 2, AI supercomputers are getting absolutely gigantic. AI is hungry for power, like Godzilla-level hungry. The Colossus supercomputer, yes, it's actually called that, has 200,000 AI chips, cost $7 billion, and uses enough electricity to power 250,000 homes. That's like the entire population of a city, just powering a brain. And by 2030, these systems might need enough energy to light up entire countries. Fact number 3, AI isn't just taking jobs, it's making them too. I agree. AI has replaced some jobs, rip boring data entry jobs. By 2025, it's estimated that AI will have generated over 97 million new jobs. We're talking cool sounding roles like AI ethicist, data whisperer, robot boss. Okay, maybe not the last one. Yet. Fact number 4, AI has a better memory than most of us. You know how we forget our Wi-Fi password every time? Well, modern AI doesn't. It remembers everything. These new models have long-term memory, so they can recall your preferences, past chats, even that weird thing you asked at 2 a.m. last week. Basically, it's like having a super polite friend who never forgets your birthday or your coffee order. Fact number 5, AI is saving huge money in healthcare. AI isn't just smart, it's thrifty too. By the end of 2025, it's expected to save the healthcare industry around $150 billion a year. That's thanks to faster diagnoses, personalized treatments, and killing off annoying paperwork. All right, AI might not cure your cold, but it'll get you through the system faster and maybe cheaper. Final thought. AI is moving at lightning speed. From robot assistants to billion-dollar brains, it's changing everything, often faster than we can keep up. Remember, AI is getting smarter, more human-like, better at problem-solving, understanding language, and learning. So, that's it, people. Let me know in the comments which fact blew your mind the most, or if you're still waiting for an AI to do your laundry. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.